dish, pork pochero. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use. 1/2 kilo of pork belly chopped, 1 medium onion diced, 1 teaspoon of garlic minced, 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, teaspoon of salt for taste, some annatto seeds soaked in 1/4 cup of water for coloring, large banana ripe and chopped, 2 potatoes, medium size cut into quarters, 1 small cabbage quartered, and a bunch of pechay bagyo. First, we boil this pork belly until tender.
In frying pan, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Fry the potatoes and bananas, then set aside. Then remove some cooking oil and saute garlic and onions. Put in the pork. And add the green annatto seeds. Add water and let it boil until they become tender. Then, put in the potato, banana, and cook for 5 minutes. Add cabbage and pechay bagyo. Add some salt and cover the pot and turn off the heat. Transfer to a serving plate and serve, share, and enjoy.